welcome back to my channel, Marianne. Been a bit since I've done a Jeffree Star video, but I did order the Valentine mystery treats. Okay, so it just arrived today, so excited to open it. I was so busy working during Christmas time that I missed the Beautylish Lucky Bags this year, so I was kind of disappointed in that. And Jeffree doesn't have any mystery boxes for Valentine's Day, but we do have... I did get the Halloween one, I just didn't record it, what I got. But I just got a few mystery treats. And it's not a big box, it's a thinner box, so don't know what could possibly be in here. But let's see. Okay. So I got the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I got the skincare postcard insert. And he used the Scorpio tissue. So, oh my goodness. Okay. I see something that I don't have. I was gonna buy this on sale. I got the Pink Religion palette. Wow. Unbelievable. I can't believe I got this. Oh. 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 How does the thing open? Do I have to peel the paper off? Where is the... Oh, got it. Don't want to rip it. I'll open it later. I can't believe I got this palette. There, got it. Whoop. The sun is shining right there. Oh. Pink Religion. I love pink. Oh, this is perfect for springtime coming up. Oh, look at that. Oh. So excited. Okay, what else did I get? Put it aside. I don't want to drop it. Something's wrapped in tissue. It's in white tissue. Let's see. Okay. These look like lip products. Does it have the color? Jeffree Star Skin. What is it? Oh. It looks like the liquid lip balm. Very pretty. Oh. No smell. Is it lip balm? I don't have my glasses on. I don't know where I put them. Oh, I believe it's like a liquid lip balm. Wow, nice. No repeat. Supreme gloss. Always love a good Supreme gloss. Dream. No, Gemini. My glasses. I have the Gemini liquid lippy, so that'll go good with that. Didn't have the Supreme gloss. And then I got, let's say, finally. Ooh. The velour lippy. Looks like it's called Finally. Is that what it says? I don't have my glasses on. Yeah, Finally. Finally or Fatality? What does this say? Finally, yes. I was right the first time. Come on, Marion. You're not totally blind. Oh, got another Heartbreaker mirror compact. And I got some mini lip colors. Oh, pretty colors too. I don't know what it says, but it looks like Sugar Spike, the color. I wear Sugar Spike a lot. That's what it looks like. But I don't know if that's what it says. Is that what it says? I don't think that's what it says. Does it say Sugar Spike? I'll have to look at it later. I'm not sure what it says. And then I got this color. Pretty. And I got a nice purple color. That's very pretty. Very pretty. Yes. I can use every single thing that I got in this palette. I mean palette, in this box. Did I only get, yeah, I got 5 things, I believe. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items. I was going to buy 5, but then if I spent like $4 more, I was going to get, look at that light. I was going to get free shipping, so I went ahead and did that. But wow. Can't believe I got this. Just this alone was totally worth it. Okay, so excited. Thanks for watching. I wanted to hurry up and open it so I didn't have time to make perfect lighting in here or anything, so forgive me. I look pale. Oh, I'm here. But anyway, thanks for watching. Maybe if I go over here. There I am. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.